A polynomial is an expression of two or more algebraic terms. Factoring is basically reverse expanding or distribution. There are several ways to do this with several types of polynomials you'll see. The first one is finding the greatest common factor. When you see a polynomial that has common factors, this is your first step. Find the greatest common factor and factor it out. The greatest common factor of 6x squared plus 3x is 3x. Divide both terms by the greatest common factor, which is 3x. To double check, we can see that 3x times 2x is 6x squared, and 3x times 1 is 3x. If you need to factor an equation even more, then here are the next steps. The next case you'd see are trinomials. This is in the form of ax squared plus bx plus c. C is a constant. First, split bx into two groups. These two groups must add up to bx, and its coefficients should multiply to the constant, which is c. With the equation x squared plus 2x minus 3. 2x is split into 3x and negative 1x. 3x plus negative 1x is 2x, and 3x multiplied negative 1x is negative 3x. Now, move the split groups with one part of bx on either side. 3x is grouped with x squared, and negative x is grouped with negative 3. Apply the greatest common factor method to both sides. Here, we get x multiplied x plus 3, and negative 1 multiplied x plus 3. Then, group the common multiples into 1. X minus 1 multiplied by x plus 3. This also works if a in x squared is greater than 1. The last case includes perfect squares. The equation x squared minus 25, both are perfect squares. If we apply this equation, a squared minus b squared equals a plus b times a minus b. Since 25 is just 5 squared, we can input into the equation x squared minus 5 squared is equal to x plus 5 times x minus 5. Anyway, that's all the types of polynomials you could encounter.